Welcome to the Blizzard. When we catch up with the boys to ask them questions, sometimes I don't give them enough time to think, and this happens. But then you meet up with someone called Sparrow Knox, and this kid just rambles on, and on, and on, and on.
Exactly this, okay, basically.
Alright, Sparrow, you ride in the fridge a lot. What kind of frozen food do you feel like when you're in that fridge?
99.9% of the time. From Finsbury Park Station, local tube, I'll hustle the guy, give him a quid, pretty much pick what I want within the fruit range, yeah. Sometimes don't have the pound on you, he lets you off, he's a nice guy, so I'll bring him like 2 bananas, a mango, so often save the mango for the journey back, yeah. But if you do save the mango for the journey back, it's frozen, so you get like a bit of a frozen mango. Bananas don't go so good, but like all sorts of fruit, or cakes from Costa for free.
Wow.
Oyster shell juice. Tight pants. No, I'm joking. Best part I've seen this year. Video part, I don't know. Video wise, you can say post them, but video parts you don't even remember them because it just kind of flies by like whew. Before you know it, you're just like oh, just trying this like 1K race, yeah, 1 mile race. I tried to backflip at the end of it, yeah, like crumble.
What is the time difference between Meerhofen and Breckenridge?
Be 8 hours.
How many 180s?
9. Nah, shit.
How many 180s in a 1440?
That'll be 8.
What is the weight limit for carry-on on EasyJet?
Bastard.
Has anybody ever snowboarded down Mount Everest?
Kareem, Victor de la Rue. No, that wasn't Everest. No.
Name all the Wu-Tang Clan members.
I don't know. Ghostface Killer, old 30 bastard. A line with the best backcountry rider. Who do I want to go with? I just want to go with me and Niels. Cruise down and we'll make it the bomb.
Just go for it.
Rock a rail. Rock a rail.
So EpicTV shop, I've just launched a team, and to kick it all off, we give you Brage Richenberg's edit. If you want to watch the full thing, go to epictv.com and get all involved. Up in his group. And to make you all jealous, me and Carter, the filmer extraordinaire, we're all going to the Rome Lodge to test out their brand new boards for the next season. Jealous much? Follow us on Instagram, @Noel Reynolds, @Carter Hewlett, whatever the fuck his name is. See y'all later.